I am not part of the staff at scottsbaselessons.com, nor am I being hired to promote their website. These videos are just to share my personal experience with websites, especially the Player's Path feature, which was released back in May, I think.
3, 4.
I learned about the website through a video on YouTube. Paraphrasing the title went something like, learn how to play a walking bass in 15 minutes, or under 15 minutes. I could never learn how to do it when I was studying music, so I gave it a shot. And by the end of the video, I was doing a decent job at Autumn Leaves, while thinking, why didn't teach me like this in school? I got hooked to the website and to Scott's bass teaching approach. Player's Path has been an unbelievable experience for me. It's a different way, a different approach to learning the bass, and it also has introduced me to new musical styles. So if you're interested in learning how to play the bass, don't hesitate to get your 14-day free trial. Head over to scottsbasslessons.com.
1, 2, 3, 4.
That's it for level 2. My favorite song to play, I would say definitely was Shuffle and Funk. I was able to come up with a pretty funky bass line, which is just really fun to play. Thank you, and stay tuned for level 3.